What is up, YouTube? Back for another quick video on the 04 Cobra. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the new Aeroforce Dual Interceptor gauges. So, finally bit the bullet and bought a brand new set of the Dual Aeroforce Interceptor gauges. I was able to get my hands on an SOS gauge pod, which I'll do another video on all the new parts for this season. So I was able to get that gauge pod, so I finally bought these gauges for myself as a Christmas gift. So let's do an unboxing, see the configuration that I had got and how everything comes. So I ordered these from lethalperformance.com. Based off the label, it looks like it came directly from the Aeroforce warehouse. So have our box here. And here we go. So, like I said, I did the dual gauges and I went with the black bezel as well as additional faces, which I hope are in there, but this is your standard configuration. When you buy it, it's got the black face and I did the all black bezel. A lot of guys will do the silver line, that is the standard. Then you can get polished or just silver. I thought that the all black would look good on the A-pillar gauge pod. This way it doesn't stand out too much and draw your attention to it by being bright silver. So these are the two gauges. Let's lift those out, see what else is included. So you have your additional connections if you're gonna run anything for wideband and such, which you will not need. Then here's your OBD2 port, which plugs into the back of both gauges, making it super easy to install. And then here are the additional faces that I had purchased. So I got them in silver with the red SVT logo to match the existing gauges. I had bought an overlay just like this for my AEM wideband gauge, which I also did a video on installing it. So now everything across the board is gonna match and look pretty good together. So let's get these new faces on the gauge. I'll show you how to do that, and then we'll get to installing them in a future video. So first up, you're gonna take this bezel and you just spin it counterclockwise, and that will come right off. Set that aside. You can lift up your silver screen, and then you have access right here to the actual faceplate. So we'll set that aside. We'll open up the new faceplate here. Just line that up. Like so. Make sure that's seated well. Take your acrylic cover. This one actually does have a bunch of lint on it, if you can make out in the video. So I'm gonna give that a quick cleaning. There we are. Then you're gonna take that, slide that back over, just like that. Once you have your acrylic face on, then take your bezel, trying to line it up as carefully as you can. It's a little tricky actually to get it all level. And then spin around and round clockwise until it's nice and snug. And there you have it. Your new SVT faceplate is on to match your existing gauges, and this one is all set. So we'll install it on that one next, and they'll be ready to put them in the gauge pod. So I just wanted to show you guys the configuration that I got, just plugged it in just so we could power it up. So you can see I did do the black and green lights so that it will match the factory SVT Cobra gauges as close as possible. I didn't want to go with blue or red or any of the other colors, so I did go with the green and black setup. That would be closest to the Cobra gauges to match at night, making it all look pretty uniform. All right, guys, so there you have it. That is the unboxing of the Aeroforce Dual Interceptor gauges, as well as how to replace the faceplate on any of these Aeroforce gauges. So I will be doing another video on all of the new parts to come for the 2023 season, as well as another video of installing these into the SOS A-pillar gauge pod and installing it in the car and the setup. So be sure to stay tuned. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them below about the gauges. And thanks for watching.